In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the REI website to enhance your shopping experience. If you enjoy outdoor activities and need some gear, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. To begin your journey, head over to the REI website, visit your favorite web browser, type in re.com and hit enter. You'll arrive at their homepage, which is designed to inspire excitement about exploring the great outdoors. REI, or Recreational Equipment Inc., is a trusted co-op that's been around since 1938, delivering quality outdoor gear to those who love nature's adventures. As you scroll through their site, you'll notice it's packed with stunning visuals of trails, mountain peaks, and serene lakes, which might ignite a desire to plan your next trip even as you shop. Now, let's focus on your shopping cart. This is where you see all the items you've decided are must-haves for your outdoor escapades. Navigate to the top right corner of the home page. You'll spot a shopping cart icon. Simply click on it and you'll be taken to a new page displaying your current selections. Whether it's hiking boots, trekking poles, or a cozy sleeping bag, this page will give you a detailed overview of your selections. For each item in your cart, you'll see the product name, price, quantity, and sometimes product highlights or specifications. If at any point you've changed your mind about an item or realized you need an additional camping mat, this page allows you to edit your selection easily. You can adjust quantities or remove items with a simple click, ensuring that only what's truly essential ends up in your checkout. While in your cart, take advantage of checking for any available discounts or to apply member rewards if you're already a part of the REI Co-op family. Being a co-op member can bring additional benefits, including dividends on purchases and, from time to time, access to exclusive sales and events. So ensure you're logged in to maximize these benefits. Once you're satisfied with your shopping cart and ready to proceed, simply click on the button that says Checkout. This will guide you through the payment process, where you can fill in your shipping information and choose your preferred payment method. It's all very straightforward and designed to get your gear to you with minimal fuss, leaving you free to focus on planning your next adventure. And there you have it. Navigating REI's website is as simple as that. Whether you're upgrading your tent or picking out the perfect pair of trail-ready shoes, REI makes it convenient for you to gear up for whatever the outdoors have in store. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!